What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this zigzag curly ponytail using Annabelle hair, and I really love this hair. I love how this turned out, and I just love how this hair looks with like a ponytail or even a bun. Like you could really do a bun with this. So if you guys want to see how I do this, make sure you guys keep watching. Alright, so when I got out the shower, I put my hair in a ponytail, so I wouldn't have to deal with it like frizzing up and whatnot. The first thing I'm gonna try to do is I'm trying to zigzag my hair. I got this idea from Essie. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. She made it look really freaking easy, but I'm gonna try. So I'm just parting my hair. I just want to make sure that it stays.
Tell me, do you wanna ride?
So I think I'm gonna go like this way. I swear I don't have dandruff gel. I just know,
just roll the.
Oh, I actually did a good job. Okay. I see, this is hard. I don't know how he freaking did this. I'm just using a little gel.
You don't got no time for this anymore.
She made this look really easy. And it's actually okay, y'all, so I got my zigzag kinda, and now what I like to do is for my hair, because it always ends up like coming up over here, is I layer the gel. So I'll put a little gel underneath, part it, I'm gonna slap some gel on, brush it. And then I'll go ahead and put the gel on this part. I feel this is supposed to be my hardest side because I'm so picky about how I like my front to look.
Always do wrong. Got me dreaming tonight. I can't wake up no more. Yeah, this life is a fantasy. I can't lie, you the best discovery. I'm outside, I've been higher than the tree. We just getting by, yeah, this time of luxury. Yeah, you call, I hung up. I'm so far, I'm so gone, I feel done.
Now what you're gonna do is put it in a low bun, really tight. Okay, this is actually super cute, y'all. This low-key like might be my new go-to. So what I'm gonna do next is wrap my hair real quick.
Slow down, I cannot slow down. I think I need another round. Just roll the
Okay. Alright, y'all, now for the best part. We got the hair. Y'all, my hair really kind of wavy right now. I did not think I was gonna like this, but I like it. Once you put this ponytail on. Alright, so Allie Annabelle sent me their hair, and this is freaking, this hair looks so freaking cute on here. So right now I'm just detangling it, trying to get to some volume. So the ponytail can be full. And this one is their 24 inches. So I'm just running my fingers through it. And they also sent me their lashes. I do want to mention, because the company's never done this, they sent me mink lashes in this little Allie Annabelle case. And I'm actually wearing them in the video. They're so cute. Okay. Y'all, literally, like, I remember I was not able to do like the little okay. I used to struggle. I don't know, lately I've just been in the mood for film. I think, like, I'm tired of just, I don't know, I want new content. Do I want to do a bun? The ponytail is cute. Alright, so just unraveling the hair. I'm going to keep this double stranded because there's no need for you to single strand wrap it. It's not come out the same. Okay, so next you guys need to take your bobby pin, and wherever you stopped, you're just gonna pin the track. And then just play with it until it looks how you want it to look. Really. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished hair. If you guys like this hair and want to go pick it up, you guys can click the link in my description, Allie Annabelle, and I'll be back with more videos. If you guys have any suggestions, drop them below. And of course, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, and I'll be back with more videos.